Assalamu alaikum dear listeners. I hope you all are amazing as always. This is our channel Critical Thinking and Research, and once again Aksa Mukhtar is here with the next video from the series of Thoughts Out of Box by Professor Mubashir Altaf. And today I am going to narrate the first thought from the book. This is basically that very idea which is behind the creation of this outstanding book. The title of this first idea is also Thought Out of Box. Let me narrate it for you. I have been more than 10 years of teaching experience so far, and I have been observing that most of the persons live in a box. They see the world from the box. To see the reality, they need to unbox themselves, receive the truth, and let it be your balm. Sometimes students have odd thoughts, unusual ideas, but they think these thoughts, these ideas are not worthy, and they are stupid and valueless. I suggest to my all students, you should value your strange, awkward, seeming stupid concepts and eccentric ideas. Think out of box and value those ideas, nourish them and mature them and then present them. I think every individual is special in one way or the other. Fish can swim but elephants don't. Elephant can hear hypersonic sounds but human can't. You may have ideas that have never been thought of before. If you don't say them today, someday some other will say it. Some students say everything is already said, why I say it again? There is nothing new left. But here I quote French writer André Gide, who says, everything that needs to be said have already been saying, but since no one was listening, everything must be said again.